Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Rotelsa SGM Vlogs from Switzerland. But before anything else, I would like to thank to all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos every time I upload a new videos. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. In this channel, I am sharing my skills and ideas on how to recycle waste materials and transform into a unique and beautiful DIY projects. Today's video is about my Christmas lantern. This is my first Christmas lantern that I created. Just replay my live tutorial on how I created this Christmas lantern. This Christmas lantern is made from the cones from the Eggtray. Look at this. This is the Eggtray. Just cut out the cones of the empty Eggtray, and this is the form when you cut out, and then fix it one by one with the use of a stapler, or you can use a hot glue to fix it one by one in order to form like a ball. Then after that, you fix these balls into the cones, the use of hot glue, so that it will stick to it. And then you can decorate any decoration that you wanna decorate. I just put a golden ribbon, and here I attach a recycled Christmas lantern. I just fold it and fix it with a glue under the cones of this Eggtray. So this is now the transformation of the Eggtray cones, and now this is already my DIY Christmas lantern. And look at this. So this is very simple and very easy DIY project. So guys, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment in order to improve my project, and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel Rotelsa Vlogs, so that you will learn different DIY projects. I have a lot of DIY projects for the Christmas season, and I will upload it very soon. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Take care and have a nice day. Stay healthy, wear your mask, wear your gloves wherever you are, wherever you go, so that you will be safe every time. So I hope guys you get an idea on how to recycle your Eggtray.